Hello and welcome. Today, we're delving into a common programming problem that many developers encounter. The issue at hand revolves around Lambda functions and their conversion to std-function. This predicament often arises when dealing with ambiguous calls in the code. Now, let's get into the solution. In such scenarios, one effective approach is to assign the Lambda function to a std-function variable. By doing so, the compiler is compelled to deduce the precise type of the std-function, thereby resolving the ambiguity. The code snippet that accomplishes this involves creating a std-function variable f with the Lambda function, followed by passing f to the dofunc function. This simple yet strategic move aids in clarifying the type of std-function required, ensuring the code runs smoothly. To wrap it up, we've explored a practical solution to tackle the ambiguity quandary related to Lambda functions and std-function. By employing the technique of assigning the Lambda to a std-function variable, you can effectively resolve any ambiguities and streamline your code. Remember, coding is all about problem solving and embracing challenges. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Happy coding, and until next time.